have always found whomever I'm working with to be open-minded, and they listen well, and I definitely feel like they understand our issues and maybe offer solutions to us, or definitely we work it out. My experience with Cassling and the service and the comfort level that I have developed with them over the years has increased because of their reliability, their communication skills. Well, here's a good example. Our nuclear medicine camera is an eCam, which was installed in 2005. It's at end of life. We have very little problems with it. And also our MRI, it was installed in 2007. When we purchased that, at the time we were told you can get a good 12 years out of the system if you maintain it well. Well, here we are, all these years down the road. MR has hit its 12-year mark just earlier this month, and still running fine. I mean, we're starting to see a few issues, but that's to be expected. I mean, it met its 12-year mark, and to me, it's all because of the service.